So hello guys, we are back in another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with while shorting these meme coin. And this video will be straightforward and to the point. So if you want to make money while shorting the coin, for example, this platform is in beta, so that's why it supports only limited type of coins such as daddy, and you can find your coin if you just paste your address here. And for example, let me just show you. First of all, let's go to the Ivanka coin. Right now it's trending on this market cap. For example, if I want to short this coin, I can just copy the contract address and just try to paste it. Maybe we can find the coin right now. So that's why you can see right now there is a limited coin that they support. So they are trying to add new coins. So let's click on the trough, and let me just open the Tron chart here. So just copy the contract address. Yeah, so let's see Trump coin. Here it is. So this is the Trump coin. Yeah, so this is the Trump coin, guys, ladies and gentlemen. And right now it's standing on the 2.34 billion market cap, and maybe if we just comment the coin just got drop, then we will lose, people will lose money and you will make money. Just deposit your Solana, for example, like 1 Solana, and it will show you how much you want. You are like $195, and just it has the leverage of 0.86x. You can just try different thing. I just do almost full leverage, and yeah, so just click on this and your dump will be start. When this coin will dump, you will make money. And you can adjust the slippage value. I am using the lowest slippage, like 0.5%, and if my transaction just failed, I just use 1 or 2%. So this is this like dumpy.fun. You guys can try, link is in the description. And you can find various like new coins, and you cannot turn these type of coin. Basically what you can turn right now at the moment, this is the beta. I have talked with this team. Their team is very incredible, and they are trying to add every coin as possible. So yeah, so let's see, for example, if we just find a good coin like Goat Maximus. Yeah, Goat Maximus will be good. Let's copy the contract address and just paste to deck screener. So let me just check. Yeah, so this is the coin. So right now, if we just see this coin as I predicted, it's just break the trend and going for the reversal. Right now it's on the short position. Maybe let me just check the 4-hour chart so we can find a clear clear positions. So right now, if we manages to break the support area, which is the 271 point, between 2.271 million and 249 million, if we manages to break this area of support and go down, we will make money. So the best option is to wait and just see. And then if it just go to dropping down to 160 million, yeah, and then we can make a huge amount of money, like so much money on the Dumpify. But remember guys, this is only a beta, so make sure you guys do your investment and do your working. And let me just clearly identify what it is. Dumpify let you know, or let you short the shitcoin destined for zero and powered by Safe. So Safe is a platform order, Safe.finance, and yeah, so you can just check it. And basically shorting work by selling borrowed token. Later, when the price has hopefully gone down, you can close the position at a profit by buying back and repaying the loan. Dumpify uses Safe for borrowing and Jupiter for selling. So this is the thing that is going to happen. People make so much money while this. You see the whales that are selling their token. Basically, they sell their token right here on the dump file, and they make a loan, and then they make loan, and then after this loan they will make money. Like they just dump the coin and everything. So this is the platform that is working. So if you like this video, make sure you guys like and follow me and subscribe me for more, and peace out.